Hello kids, today we are going to see worksheet number 3 from chapter number 3, what is government, from civic subject. So let us see. Question number 1. What do you understand by the word government? List 5 ways in which you think the government affects your daily life. Answer is, by the word government we understand that the organization which takes decisions and makes laws for the citizens of a country is the government. The 5 ways in which the government affects our daily life are: number 1, building roads and schools; number 2, reduction and fixing of prices of essential commodities; number 3, supply of electricity; number 4, preparation and implementation of several programs to help the poor; number 5, running of postal and railway services. Now question number 2. Why do you think the government needs to make rules for everyone in the form of laws? Answer is, the government needs to make rules for everyone in the form of laws because of the following reasons. Number 1. The government wants to give advantages to the people of the welfare measures to all without discrimination. Number 2. To provide equality and justice to all. Number 3. To maintain peace. Number 4. To administer the country efficiently. Question number 3. Name 2 essential features of a democratic government. Answer is, 2 essential features of a democratic government are: number 1, democracy is a rule by the people. It is people who rule themselves by participating in the making of these rules. Number 2, in a democracy people have the power to elect their leaders. These leaders or representatives meet and make decisions for the entire population. Question number 4. What was the suffrage movement? What did it accomplish? Answer is, the movement for voting rights to women came to be known as the suffrage movement. All over Europe and USA, women and the poor have had to fight for participation in the government. Women's struggle to vote got strengthened during the First World War. During the war, many men were away fighting, and because of this, women were called upon to do work that was earlier considered men's work. Thus, women got the opportunity to show their capability. People as a whole got disillusioned. They began demanding the right to vote for all women. The result was positive. American women got the right to vote in 1920, while women in the UK got the right to vote on the same terms as men some years later in 1928. Question number 5. Gandhiji strongly believed that every adult in India should be given the right to vote. However, a few people don't share his views. They feel that illiterate people who are mainly poor should not be given the right to vote. What do you think? Do you think this would be a form of discrimination? Give 5 points to support your view and share these with the class. Answer is, we think that all the people, whether illiterate or literate, poor or rich, should have the right to vote. Yes, we think that if the right to vote is denied to illiterate and poor people, it would be a form of discrimination. 5 points to support our views. Number 1, wealth is not the criterion of good judgment. Number 2, illiterate or poor might have a strong character. Number 3, government policies affect all. Number 4, democracy talks of equality and justice for all. Number 5, one needs understanding to vote. So this is a worksheet. You have to write all question and answers in your notebook.